Hi, today let's make simple and easy mango salad. Just you need mangoes which is cleaned and washed, and then you need to chop it into cubes like this. Very simple, very easy. All the ingredients are right from your shelf. You don't need any kind of fancy ingredients for this. Then you need some onions. You need to chop it into small pieces, and then we need some chili powder, and then you can add salt per taste. If you like it more spicy, you can add in chopped green chilies and more chili powder as well. Now add in some chopped coriander leaves, and finally squeeze some fresh lemon juice. And yeah, that's it. With the most minimal ingredient, you'll get the most tasty salad. Give everything really very good mix. Toss it really very well, and your tasty mango salad is just ready in a minute. You don't need too much of fancy ingredients. As I told, all the ingredients are right from your shelf. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like, share and follow my channel. As I always say, enjoy your food, and yeah, don't forget to subscribe and support my channel as well.